Alright, so this next video was sent to me by and taped by a young lady by the name of Sharon Lubin, and it was filmed on the train right here in New York City. And you know, I'm going to reserve my comments to this video at the end, but I want you guys to watch this video all the way to the end. Every time I watch this particular clip, I always have the same reaction, because it seemed to me that some people that are just like you, that are black like you, that went through the same struggles as you, for some reason they think that they're better than you because they have citizenship, or they live in, or they're born in this country. When you trace back the heritage, we all came from Africa, so you just are all your immigrant. Anyway, let me reserve my statement and my comments for the end. I want you guys to look at this video and comment at the bottom and tell me what you think. All right, there we go.
Citizen.
God bless your heart. Deport me.
Send your ass back where I came from.
Right where you come out, there we come out. Fucking sort. Right where you come out, there you come out. Please.
It's like animals back home. We're trying to come over here. The boss and demand somebody. Shut up, honey.
Shut me up now.
I'm gonna let immigration shut you up.
Now you ask businesswoman, do what you please. Your wish is my command. I don't really want to ramp on something, you know. But watch yourself, woman. You're crazy or something? I said right here, I don't move in. I ain't moving. I ain't moving. I hear you, I ain't moving. Trust me, I'm good. Please. You don't reach your call immigration and you go see who first going. You go see who first going. Because when you want to tell people what all you want and what
we soon talking to immigration without
what do you think
with you.
You walking with immigration, God bless you at home, man. Let us send me back. But you should hold me and send me ass back. That's what you had to do. You don't have to call immigration because you walk with them. So hold me and send me back. You want to wait for Trump to do that? Well, I don't understand this woman here. Something wrong.
Something wrong with you.
Something wrong with you.
Better get on the treadmill.
You know what? Well, if that bus when he come, I'm going to get on it too. I can't come, I'm going to get on it. It's a train, so I got to get on the train to go home.
You sound like a farmer now.
What? I know just where I come on.
You sound stupid.
It take one to know one.
But you don't know me, so
I don't want to know you. I don't want to
shut
know
up already.
Shut me up, woman.
I'm stupid.
I want you to shut me up. It take one to know one again. It take one to know one, girl. Stop saying that.
Let's go, train.
It take one to know one.
Stupid old ass.
I make you, you make me. You my age. Watch you and watch me. Take out your shades and watch me. Watch you. Look at 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 you. Shut up. Look at you.
I look better than you.
I don't understand. That's what you want.
Got black ass lips.
I don't give a rat's ass. I don't give a rat's ass.
Lose some weight. Care about your health.
You lose weight too. Some weight too.
Care about your health. Hey, care about your health.
What is this woman?
Okay.
Let me get started. I could walk naked, you know, and have nothing to lose. But look at you.
I don't have nothing to lose.
You have a dress on you.
First of all, you in my country. You were out in
all of us on Japanese, all of us on. You name my connect. You fool. That's all of us country. When you tell me all of us on.
All of us country.
Well, look at protect them and
the green card. The green card.
You what? You can say what you want. All of us country. You jackass. All of us country. You got this shit. All of us country. That's why they have no, send me back. Send me back.
Put your hand in my face. I want you to touch me.
I want you to touch me too.
I want you to lay your ass out.
Woman,
touch me.
Know what you back
Talk all you want to, but touch me.
You do the same.
Touch
You do
me.
the same.
Touch
You
me.
do the same.
Touch me.
You do the
Look,
same.
gonna go down.
You do the same.
Touch
Both
me.
of us going down. And I'm
Touch
going down in a big way too.
Touch
You're
me.
stupid.
Touch me,
You're
honey.
stupid.
Cause that West Indian talking
Hey,
to me.
hey. You
Touch
stupid.
me.
Shut.
Touch me and I'll lay your
I
old
want you to
ass
touch me. Touch me.
Touch me.
Touch me.
Touch
Touch me. Get on. Go ahead. You stupid ass. Go ahead. In spite of it, what you want? You're well dressed and I want you to come from work.
You look
You're well dressed and you come from work.
Look at
What
your
you?
shoes. You look
What?
dirty.
Look, man. Look it.
Oh, you look dirty.
You jackass.
Dirty ass out of here.
Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Please. You're stupid.
Sneakers all dirty.
I want you to clean it. But look at she crazy. Something wrong with her. She was dressed. You're well dressed, and I don't well dressed. Look at me.
You look dirty. You look dirty.
Take one to know one, woman. You understand me?
Baby gonna walk around her sneakers looking like this.
I'll hear them commentators and them in the back there.
I think
I wonder what the other races of people that's on the train, what are they thinking about this conversation, boy?
What you talking about dirty? Go clean yourself up, you dirty.
I still smell better than you. Although you're well dressed, I smell better than you.
She probably goes medical and stuff.
You understand me?
Dirty.
You look like somebody on your crack.
Dirty.
What you
Put your hair in
Take
your
your
shoes.
shoes. That's all is mine. That's all mine.
Dirty.
That's all mine.
Go home and take a
No
nap.
audition. That's all mine.
Dirty.
That's all mine.
You look dirty.
All mine. All mine. All mine.
Dirty.
All mine. I don't want nothing added. I don't want nothing so and all mine. You understand? I'm not in the system, you know. I'm a hard-working come here. I come here.
Alright guys, well listen, everybody have their difference of opinion about this whole situation. I want you guys to tell me what you think. But here's what I think, right? I'm not surprised by this whole back and forth because I think that there's a early immigrant syndrome, or if that's what they call it. Like people who came in America, who live in America, who are in America for earlier, before a certain group of people, they feel more obligated, they feel more like they have more right to be here. Guys, all of us came from the same place. All right, all of us came from the same place. All right, so looking at another black person, the person look just like you and go talk about your black lips and your black this and your black that. Think about what the white people or anybody else on the train thinking about this conversation right here. We're never gonna go nowhere because of the same kind of mentality that certain people have. All of us came from the same place. Look at the people and just move out of the way and let she move up, because this is a dumb conversation. We're not gonna go any place with that kind of mentality. Whether it's a black American, whether it's another Caribbean island person that's talking to another person like that, because someone have an accent doesn't make them illiterate, doesn't make them stupid, doesn't make them uneducated. Don't ever judge a book by the cover. Don't ever judge a book by the cover. I want to know what you guys think. Comment in the bottom right here of this video. Comment at the bottom and let me know what you think about this whole conversation here, this entire conversation. All right, and thanks to Sharon Lubin for sharing it here with us. All right, let me know what you think. Comment at the bottom. Don't forget to subscribe for when we go live right here on this channel as well. All right, see you guys later.